I think it'll only continue to grow. To my knowledge, RRAP is the only SRM-related program happening in Australia at the moment, but our program spans many cities, and while the fieldwork is based in Australia, we collaborate with research institutions internationally. The future of RRAP 2.0 involves further development of the technology to scale up to deployment on a commercial scale for the purposes of reef protection. And while the concept is based in Australia, the potential deployment could potentially be used on coral reefs all over the world with strong governance in mind. However, to get to this stage, we need trying to answer the energy efficient questions, such as attempting to generate high spray efficiencies and working with clean energy alternatives. Like I said, there's a huge amount of data that's been captured from this project, and first publications from the program are expected later this year. All SRM-related field tests performed within RRAP operate within the bounds of joint governance from several parties and consider policy and legislation from both federal and state bodies, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority, traditional owners and community stakeholders. There's currently limited national and international governance guiding SRM research, but based on our being here today discussing SRM governance, this is clearly changing. It's essential that strong and robust governance be provided as a framework for the future of SRM applications and research. And it's important we stay involved in the next steps. It's exciting to see what will happen next in this.